Morning walk to the shop to grab eggs to make our breakfast. It's a little bit nippy, it's a little bit cold. He forgot his jumper. Oh.
Yeah, but I'll eat them all. Yeah.
No.
Genuinely, I'll eat them.
$2.95? 4? We already have 4.
I didn't see that one.
Act all peaceful.
I can't.
Oliver's complaining about oat milk. I'm trying to act peaceful for my shop.
I'm eating yours because you said it was disgusting.
I'm trying to act peaceful.
I hope the sun's in your eyes.
That is so peaceful. What about you,
Your hair's
Oliver?
got a nice
Wait, the sun's just on here.
There's no peaceful.
I love home. It's my son.
We're going on a hike. We're going to the waterfall. I'm really excited. It's an hour walk to that. And then we might go up to a lake. It's going to cost.
Come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call won't ever start to change. Before you wake up feeling like nothing is strange. We should
Bug spray.
way to get involved. Onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole.
In it, that.
In it.
Beautiful, that. Throughout this trip, me and Oliver have learned some British sayings like foul.
Yeah, and
That's
grotty.
foul.
And-
That's grotty.
Swig of water.
A swig of water, please.
Okay, what's another way of saying?
Can I nick a swig of water?
What's another way of saying grotty?
Oh, what is it?
Mad scuzzy that.
That's mad. And then putting that at the end of sentences like that's mad scuzzy that.
Or you can just say scuzzy that.
Pretty that.
There we go.
I've been staying up for hours, just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to step back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But till you
So
ever
cute, I
wake
love
up feeling like we're living day to day, we should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away.
Pea boys coming back. How was your pee, little boys?
It's enough belief, 'cause baby, it's you.
Okay, there we go.
Run it with the bird.
So Julia is making cottage cheese sandwiches.
We don't have a knife.
This is our knife.
We forgot
The lid of the.
What's that? That's the view. Julia!
That's not what it looks like.
I'm gonna shower now. To go under that, it's like a big. Oh no!
It's not that bad. We're going, Mia. Oh. No, don't step there.